Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone XR and replace motherboard. To disassemble iPhone XR, you need the following tools: screwdriver set, 2 tweezers, opening plastic tool, plastic mediator, section cup for removing display. In description of this video I'll leave links to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassembling, turn off the iPhone and removing the SIM card tray. Unscrew 2 screws near the lighting port. Using a hairdryer, heat the display surface for 1 or 2 minutes. In this way, the glue heat between the iPhone case and the display, so it will be easier to open the case. Apply the suction cup to the bottom edge of the display and pull up on the ring. Next, push the plastic mediator between the display and iPhone case. If you cannot do this with a plastic mediator, take any thin plastic card and insert it between the case and the display. Then it will be easier to pry with the mediator. Now evenly and slowly open the display around the perimeter of iPhone. The iPhone case opens like a book. The display opens to the right side. Using a tri-wing screwdriver, unscrew the 3 screws and remove the metal panel. Now you can disconnect the battery cable from the mainboard. Next, unscrew 2 screws and remove the second metal panel. Unscrew another 3 screws with a tri-wing screwdriver and 2 screws with a PH00 screwdriver. Disconnect cables of the display from the motherboard. Unscrew 3 screws. Then disconnect cable from the motherboard and remove SIM card module. Next, unscrew the 5 screws, the first screw using with a Phillips 00 screwdriver, and remaining 4 screws with a flat screwdriver. Disconnect all cables from the motherboard. Now the iPhone XR motherboard can be removed from the iPhone case. In the description of this video I'll leave links where you can buy motherboard for iPhone XR. Install the motherboard into the case and check that all cables must be above the motherboard. Connect all cables to the motherboard except the battery cable. fasten 5 screws. Install the SIM card module and connect the cable to the motherboard. Fasten 3 screws to the SIM card module. The motherboard assembled. Now we can connect the display and test how everything works before final assembly with gluing the case. For test iPhone, connect 3 cables to the mainboard, and only after that connect the battery cable. Turn over the display and turn on the iPhone. Check how the iPhone works, and if everything is fine, let's go to the gluing of the case. Remove the old adhesive tape from the iPhone case. After, using medicine alcohol, wipe the surface of iPhone case and display module. Take a new adhesive tape and apply on the case. With this tape you keep the iPhone waterproof. I left links where you can buy this adhesive tape in description of this video. Connect 3 cables to the mainboard, and only after that connect the battery cable. Next, install all panels and fasten screws. Now turn over the display and press the display to the case. Fasten 2 screws near the lighting port. Install a SIM card, and now you can turn on the iPhone. Good luck!